Tired of just standing on your hoverboard and wishing for more fun and control? Today, I've got you covered with the 5 best hoverboard seat attachments that can totally upgrade your ride. From stability to comfort, I'll show you what makes each attachment unique. And yes, I'll keep it real with the pros and cons. Let's dive in. Number 1. Overall best pick. Highboy HC01 Hoverboard Seat Attachment. The Highboy HC01 Hoverboard Seat Attachment is a fun way to turn a hoverboard into a go-kart style ride, making it enjoyable for both kids and adults. One of its biggest pros is the adjustable frame length, which means it can easily fit different riders without much hassle. The assembly is straightforward, and once set up, it feels sturdy and stable, adding a safer riding option compared to standing on the hoverboard. The padded seat is also fairly comfortable for longer rides. On the downside, the straps that secure the attachment to the hoverboard may loosen over time and need occasional adjustment. Overall, it's a great accessory that transforms the hoverboard experience into something much more versatile and fun. Number 2. My second best pick. Hover One Beast Buggy Hoverboard Attachment. The Hover One Beast Buggy Hoverboard Attachment is a solid choice if you want to take your hoverboard experience to the next level. The hand-operated rear-wheel control gives you precise steering, making rides smoother and more fun. Its adjustable frame and straps allow it to fit different rider sizes, which is great for both kids and adults. The assembly process is relatively quick, and once secured, the attachment feels stable and safe. One drawback is that it's only compatible with 10-inch hoverboards, so if you own a smaller model, it won't fit. Still, for those with the right size hoverboard, it's a reliable and exciting way to enjoy a go-kart style ride. Number 3. My third best pick. Hoverboard Hoverboard Seat Attachment. The Hoverboard Hoverboard Seat Attachment is a fun and easy way to turn your hoverboard into a go-kart style ride. One of the biggest advantages is its universal compatibility, fitting most hoverboards without any hassle. The seat feels sturdy and comfortable, and the handlebars provide good control for steering, making it enjoyable for both kids and adults. Assembly is straightforward, and the adjustable frame makes it suitable for riders of different heights. A nice bonus is the stability. It feels safer than standing on a hoverboard, especially for younger riders. The only downside is that the straps may loosen over time and need retightening. Overall, it's a great upgrade for anyone who wants to get more fun out of their hoverboard. Number 4. My fourth best pick. Hoverboard Seat Attachment. This hoverboard seat attachment is a fun and practical way to transform a hoverboard into a go-kart style ride. It's compatible with 6.5-inch, 8, and 10 boards, making it versatile for most users. The adjustable frame is a big plus, allowing both kids and adults to ride comfortably. The seat itself feels sturdy, and the hand controls provide smooth steering, giving riders a sense of safety and control. Assembly is pretty straightforward, so you can get it set up quickly without too much effort. The only drawback is that the straps may need occasional readjusting after heavy use. Overall, it's an affordable upgrade that adds a lot more fun to your hoverboard experience. Number 5. Last but not least, my fifth best pick. Hover One Raptor One Buggy Hoverboard Attachment. The Hover One Raptor One Buggy Attachment is a fun way to turn your hoverboard into a go-kart style ride. It fits most 6.5-inch and 8 boards and has an adjustable frame, so both kids and adults can enjoy it comfortably. The hand-operated rear-wheel control makes steering easy, while the turbo LED lights add a cool touch that kids especially love. Assembly doesn't take long, and once attached, it feels sturdy and secure. One thing to note is that the straps may loosen with extended use, so you'll need to tighten them occasionally. Overall, it's a solid accessory that adds both excitement and safety to hoverboard riding. That's a wrap. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews and smart product picks every week. Got a favorite hoverboard seat attachments? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear what you're riding with.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.